Hey super friends, and today you're watching Life with me. I'm Kimmy, and you're probably not seeing me right now because we're driving. Well, this is not live, it's a late upload. This is our trip to Devil's Lake, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I don't have many videos. It was a very hot camping scenario, but anyways, Devil's Lake is one of the best camping grounds that you can go to in Wisconsin. It's actually a state park that we went to a few weeks prior to this camping trip. It's in the heart of Wisconsin. It's in Baraboo, which is close to Wisconsin Dells and Madison. So if you're not from the area, better check it out. And if you're planning to go to Wisconsin on a beautiful summer day, well, definitely Devil's Lake is one of the places to go to. So here's a little compilation of everything that took place, and I hope you guys enjoy.